Here. Here's our microwave. What's inside the microwave? Hey, our microwave's not working. Ding ding. Ooh, time to replace it. Like, yeah. Yeah, that's how it looks like inside the control of the microwave. Look at that thing. So the guy said, time to replace it. So we need to replace our new one. It's been 16 years. And this one's like, oh.